With the new year upon us, we've decided to continue to give the gift of wellness this month of January. We just have had so many testimonies of people having great breakthroughs with their health, and we just feel we have to continue for January. So for January, we're going to offer a free urine test kit with any order, whether you order one product or a whole pack. We're going to send that out because we've just seen such huge value of adding science to get rid of the guesswork and to know exactly what you need. In addition to that, 20% off all of our packs, and every pack will receive a free extra Paracleanse capsules with the protocol for the full moon, so we can actually help you move through that full moon protocol to have a great parasite cleanse and gut reset. And in addition to that, we'll also have, there's a new pack where I've upgraded our 30-day reset pack so that we actually have everything you need, everything that I've kind of witnessed to know what clients really struggled with last year. Then it is a pack with everything from brain support, stress support, weight loss, liver detox, as well as colon support and really immune support. So everything you kind of need to reset after last year. So pop onto our website, lots of great things there for a new year to shake off last year, to really reset the foundations of your health so you can look and feel amazing.